Good morning, all you cheap fan haters on YouTube. This has probably got to be the universe's worst excuse for a box fan. Obviously, it is a Lasco. This fan comes with multiple problems. 1, the break in the grill that came with the fan. 2, missing handle and dentage on cabinet. The handle came off when I got it, but there was dents on the cabinet. 3, the screws wouldn't go into the hole, so I had to duct tape it. 4, a noisy motor. That's on high. With a clean cabinet like that, it's not even powerful enough to blow itself over. I find that sad. That's low. Oh, come on, my Montgomery Ward Sailor shouldn't blow more than that. So long.